Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. The primary goal of my YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. For many years, whenever I have a plate of fried rice in front of me, I will automatically reach for a bottle of soy sauce. As I have gradually developed healthier home cooking practices, I have limited my soy sauce usage in order to reduce salt consumption. For more detail, please see my YouTube video, 10 ways to make home cooking healthier. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 tips to make your fried rice more flavorful, at the same time reduce salt consumption. Saute chopped onions or minced garlic before you add rice. If you want a stronger flavor or texture for the onion and garlic, saute them for only about 10 seconds and then add rice right away. For even a stronger onion and garlic flavor, save some of it and add them to the fried rice at the end. Second, sweet corn, which I use to flavor almost most of my fried rice. It not only provides natural sweetness, but it also adds texture to the fried rice. Add vegetable mixture to increase the flavor. Many vegetables are excellent for that purpose, such as carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and yellow squash. However, they should be finely chopped or pre-cooked. An alternative is to add frozen vegetable mix. Fourth, pre-cooked meat also add great flavor to the fried rice, such as ham, bologna, bacon, sausages, and hot dog. Using an appropriate amount could greatly enhance the flavor of the fried rice. I like ham best, but my friend Bill, he loves hot dog. Fifth, onion powder and garlic powder is also excellent to improve the flavor of the fried rice. Sometimes I also use minced onion flakes. Six, mushroom seasoning is another way to increase the savory of fried rice. You can find it in a specialty store or on Amazon. Mushroom seasoning contains natural umami ingredients from mushroom, but it also contains some salt. Seven, Italian seasoning, which is also a great way to adjust the flavor of the fried rice, but use it carefully. I used to use the Italian seasoning mix directly from the bottle, but now I start to use individual components separately to get a better fine-tuning of the flavor that I'm looking for. Eighth, oyster sauce, which is standard for many Chinese dishes. It will enhance the savory of the fried rice, but it also contains salt, so use it cautiously. Ninth, Hoisin sauce, again, is a standard Chinese sauce. It has a sweet and fruity flavor. It will make the fried rice has a more complex flavor. 10th, Parmesan cheese. It might seem unusual for you to use in the fried rice, but it's great to enhance the savory of the fried rice. Using Parmesan cheese in certain fried rice could make a big difference in its flavor, give it a touch of fusion. So let me quickly summarize these 10 tips to season your fried rice. First, onion and garlic. Second, sweet corn. Third, vegetable medley. Fourth, cooked meat. Fifth, onion powder, garlic powder. 6. Italian seasoning. 7. Mushroom seasoning. 8. Oyster sauce. 9. Hoisin sauce. 10. Parmesan cheese. I encourage you to experiment with this 10 seasoning approach to find a flavor that you enjoy. And hopefully this will help you to reduce the requirement for salt. If you have not had the chance, again, I encourage you to take a look at my other video, 10 ways to make home cooking healthier. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future postings. See you next time and stay safe.